Hi guys, it's Kim, and I just have a quick unboxing for a couple of cloth diapers that were sent to me from different companies. So let me show you what those look like. Okay, the first box here is the NuaBaby diapers. So first there is a one size cloth diaper. Super excited to try this out. It looks similar to soft buns, but I haven't opened it up or anything. So it has a drawstring instead of front snaps. So I'm really excited to try this out. She also sent a laundry bag. So this is like a wet bag that holds around 10 diapers. And these are liners. And I really like how they come in like a wipes case instead of that whole roll. I think this will be really more convenient to use. So I'm excited to try these out. Michelle is the owner of Ethikos Market, and that's where NuaBaby diapers are sold from. So, and she sent this personalized letter. You could tell based on the letter she wrote, like she actually watched my videos. She seems really excited about me sharing these diapers with you guys. So I can't wait to test these out and tell you guys what I think about them. And then also in the box was just a list of all of the different things they sell and a description of everything. And this is from the company BEBEBOO. I got this sent to me a long time ago, a couple months ago, but I have been using it, and I'm not going to do a separate review on it because it's just this one diaper, but I'll just talk you through it really quick. It's an all-in-two system or pocket diaper, and it comes in two different sizes. This is the one size diaper, and it also comes in a petite, which is like a newborn size. So it comes with this little sleeve, and then on the back it has the care directions and just kind of how to use the diaper. And look at how cute this print is. It has like succulents and hearts. There's two snaps and then the hip snap, so 3 total on each side. They aren't the highest quality, like they come undone really pretty easily. I haven't had them pop off or anything while my daughter's been wearing them though. BEBEBOO is a small home-owned company, I believe, out of Las Vegas, but the diapers are made in China. I do want to say they're similar to Happy Flute pocket diapers, but they have some differences. So it comes, like you can see I've used this already. It comes with a charcoal bamboo insert, which is really just microfiber on the inside, and then this charcoal bamboo lining on the top. And it has a snap, so you can snap it into the front. I didn't find this to be absorbent enough at all, and just kind of bulky, so I did not like the insert and I chose not to use it. But the cover itself I really like. It has this nice big tummy panel here, and it has this suede lining, which is nice, and it has a pocket opening. The pocket is kind of tight, and there's this flap here, which there's 2 little flaps, so I'm not really sure why that is, but I haven't had any issues with it. The elastics are really nice. They haven't worn out at all. So I really like the cover. It has really long wings, which I always like on a diaper. The price point is pretty good on these. Buying through BEBEBOO does support a small business and a work-at-home mom. So that is that. It's just a quick overview. So stay tuned. In the next coming weeks, I will have a whole video review on my thoughts and opinions of the NuaBaby one size cloth diaper, the wet bag, as well as the liners. And as always, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Bye guys!